The Mediterranean diet is known to be a healthy way of eating. Some longevity scientists suggest Mediterranean diet for long life as well. Today we will learn in details what exactly is Mediterranean diet and how and why it can be good for you. So, what is Mediterranean diet? It is a style of food based on the tradition of the countries around the Mediterranean Sea, such as France, Spain, Greece, Egypt, and Italy. Mediterranean diet typically includes a lot of different kinds of fruits and vegetables, whole grains and legumes, healthy fats from olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, some seafood and poultry, a moderate portion of dairy such as cheese and yogurt, a small portion of red meat occasionally, herbs and spices for flavor, little or no sweets or sugary drink. It may also include a moderate amounts of red wine with food. Around the mid-20th century, these are the types of food they ate in the Mediterranean area. Like most other areas in the world, things are possibly changed and they probably also moved towards a lot of processed food. But when we think of Mediterranean diet, that actually means what I just discussed. Now I will share with you some breakfast, lunch, and dinner options as per Mediterranean diet. Some breakfast options can be toasted whole grain breads with some cheese and fresh fruits, some warm pita bread with hummus or za'atar, which is a blend of thyme and sesame seeds with a side of freshly cut cucumber and tomato salads, or simply just yogurt with some fresh fruits. Some lunch or dinner options could be chickpea and quinoa bowl with some whole grain bread. You can add chicken or eggs if you like. Tomato, basil, chickpea with some feta cheese and some greens. A piece of grilled salmon or any other fish with a side of freshly cut salad. Fish can be replaced with chicken or eggs. Why Mediterranean diet is good? As the fats are mostly unsaturated fats from plant-based sources or fatty fish, that maintains healthy cholesterol level and keep you safe from harmful cholesterol. Yogurt, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains help with healthy microbiome growth and overall healthy gut. That leads to better metabolic health. All the fibers and nutrients help reduce inflammation, lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, and maintain healthy weight and healthy blood sugar. Overall, this diet is good for better immune system, helps fight certain types of cancer as well. Because Mediterranean diet include minimum amount of sugary drink, red meat, and little to no processed food, it reduces the sodium and other preservative intakes as well as reduces the amount of saturated fat, which means lower amount of bad cholesterol. That's all for today. I hope you found this information helpful. Please subscribe to stay tuned.